In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see downloads in Google Play Store. By the end, you will know exactly where your installed and previously downloaded apps are listed. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You are looking for the Play Store icon, usually a multicolored triangle on a white background. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store home screen with app suggestions and a search bar at the top. Now, tap your profile picture in the top right. This is the small circular icon, often showing your Google account photo or a letter. When you tap it, a menu slides down from the top, covering part of the screen with several options related to your account and settings. Next, tap Manage Apps and Device. This option is usually near the top of that menu. Once you select it, you are taken to a new screen with two main tabs at the top, labeled Overview and Manage. Here is where Google groups everything related to apps installed on your device. From there, tap Manage. The Manage tab shows a list of apps linked to your current Google account on this device. You will see each app's icon, its name, and sometimes the last used or update information. By default, this list usually shows the apps that are installed right now. At this point, you will see a list of apps associated with your device and account. You can scroll through and recognize apps already on your phone. A beginner detail here is that system apps from your phone maker might not appear, only apps managed through Google Play. If you have multiple devices on the same account, this list focuses on the one you are using now. To control what type of apps you see, use the filter at the top to switch between installed and not installed apps. Look for small chips or buttons near the top of the list, one labeled Installed and another labeled Not Installed. Tapping Installed shows only the apps currently on this phone. Tapping Not Installed switches the list to apps you got before with this account, but which are not on this device right now. To see apps you have downloaded before that are no longer on your phone, follow this path. Open Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, then Manage Apps and Device, then Manage, then choose Not Installed. This view is handy when you are setting up a new phone because it shows past apps even from older devices. From the Not Installed list, you can then select an app and tap Install to download it again. After you tap Install, the button changes to a progress indicator, and the app begins downloading in the background. When it finishes, the app appears in your app drawer like any other installed app, and it now also shows under the installed filter. So today you learned how to see both your current downloads and your past Google Play Store apps. If this helped you track down an old app, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Play Store tips.